In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can freeze multiple columns in Microsoft Excel. For this, we have some demo data. In this video, if we scroll right to of our file, we can see that all the data are scrolling. But we don't want this. We just want to scroll all the values. We want to fix those first two columns. For this, we just need to go to our data and select these cells because we want to freeze left side column. For this, we just need to select this cell, and now you should go to the view tab. Here is an option which is freeze spans. Click there. Here there will be some option. You just need to select first of them, freeze spans. Click there. And now if we go to the right scrolling, we can see that our first two columns has been fixed and all the values are scrolling. This is how you can easily fix multiple columns in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thanks for watching.